How to make an Amazon account. So if you want to make an Amazon account, it's actually quite simple for us to do so. Now what we have to do for this is you can use the Amazon app, but I would just recommend you open your browser because you'll have much more options from the browser. So go to amazon.com and there you can see the profile and it says sign in. So we'll just tap on that option from the top right. Here, if you already have an account, you can sign in, but if you don't, there select the option that says create account instead. Then when you select create account here, go ahead and then type in your first name and your last name or your mobile number or the email that you want to use for your Amazon account. Then just create a password. So type in a password. As soon as you've done that, you tap the continue button, your Amazon account will be successfully created. Now, if it asks you for extra verification to verify the code, make sure you do that as well. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.